Did you know a death row inmate once fooled America's most brilliant minds into believing he was innocent? Edgar Smith sat on death row for 14 years, convicted of murdering a teenage girl. But Smith had a plan. He started writing letters, eloquent, intellectual letters to famous author William Buckley Jr. The letters worked. Buckley became convinced Smith was wrongly convicted. He wrote a book about the case. Celebrities joined the campaign for Smith's freedom. From his cell, Smith earned a college degree, published articles, appeared on talk shows after his release in 1971. He was hailed as a triumph of justice, a reformed intellectual who beat the system. For 5 years, Smith lived as a free man and a celebrity. Then in 1976, he kidnapped a young woman in California, tried to murder her. During his arrest, Smith confessed the truth. He had killed the first victim after all. The master manipulator had fooled everyone, even the smartest people in America. Like, comment, and share this video and follow for more interesting videos.